Just like D2L, Canvas allows customization of home pages to enable instructors to present vital information learners need in the first days and weeks of a course. The following tutorial demonstrates how to create a front page in Canvas and set it as the active home page for the course. On the course homepage, click Choose Homepage from the right-hand menu. In the dialog box that appears, choose a layout. Options include Course Activity Stream, Pages Front Page, Course Modules, Assignments List, and Syllabus. Because we haven't set a front page in Pages yet, we see a hyperlink to do so. We will choose this option for the tutorial. Click the Add Page button and provide a title for the front page. For this tutorial, we will use Joan's front page. Next, use the HTML tool to type in text that you would like the learners to see upon entry to the course and to add images. First, we will add a custom image banner for our front page. Click on the image icon and select the source from which to add an image. Once the image has been added, click on it and then click on Image Options to set the alt text for the image. Click Done. Now type in whatever text you would like the learner to see upon entry to the course, remembering to use accessibility features such as CSS headings and alt text for images. For this tutorial, we will include two items: instructor contact information with an image and a list of the modules. Now that our list of modules is in place, we will add a hyperlink to the actual model for each. Highlight the module name and click on the hyperlink icon that looks like a chain. Select Course Links. Click the arrow beside modules and then select the appropriate module. Repeat for the remaining modules. Click Save and Publish. In the upper right corner, click on the icon with the three dots and click Use as Front Page from the menu that appears. Click Home. Next, set the home page to display the new front page you have just created. Click Choose Home Page, select the page's front page, and click Save. Check to ensure the hyperlinks you created for the modules work properly.